In this tutorial, you will learn to use the email connector to send notes and audio as attachments to email. You must configure your connectors before using them. Once they are configured, the settings do not have to be configured again unless you want to make changes. After configuring connectors, there are two ways to use them to send notes and audio. One way is through the connectors in the navigation pane of LiveScribe Desktop. The other way is from the Smart Pen using LiveScribe Connect shortcuts written on dot paper. In the navigation pane under Connectors, click the Email Connector to display the configuration page. Configuring the email connector consists of 3 steps. Specify outgoing message info that should appear on your email. Provide the email setup info for your outgoing email server. Click on the Send Test Email button to make sure the email connector can connect to the email server as indicated by the green light on the button. Click on the triangle next to Address Book to expand the section in which you can add and modify contacts. Set up an address book that the LiveScribe Connect Smart Pen app can use by entering a name and email address, and then click on the Add button. Dock your Smart Pen and click on the Sync Now button to transfer your email addresses to your Smart Pen. Close LiveScribe Connect by clicking on the red X. To send notes and audio from LiveScribe Desktop, make sure the thumbnail view is active. If you see a single, full-size page, you are currently in single page view. Click the Thumbnail View button to show the thumbnails of the notebook pages. To select more than one notebook page, hold down the Control key while clicking on the pages. Please note that all selections must be made from the same notebook. Click and drag the selected pages over the email connector until you see the connector highlighted in blue. The number of pages selected is indicated by the number in the top right-hand corner of the page attached to the mouse pointer. Drop the pages on the highlighted connector. The Sending Notes To dialog box displays for you to select notes and audio from your pages. Under Select What to Send, specify whether to send pages with audio, pages only, or audio only. Under Select Your File Type, select the file format in which to send your notes and audio. Click the More Options button to view or change the content selected to be sent. Click the Fewer Options button to close the content selection screen. Click the Continue button. Type a list of email addresses separated by a comma in the To box. Type a subject for the email in the text box. Recipients will receive an email with a Pencast PDF attachment. To send notes and audio from the Smart Pen using LiveScribe Connect shortcuts written on dot paper, first draw a launch line. To make a launch line, draw a 1-inch horizontal line and, without lifting your Smart Pen, retrace your line in the opposite direction, ending close to where you started. The word Command will appear on the OLED display of your Smart Pen. Within 8 seconds, write the word Email directly above the line. Using its predictive text feature, your Smart Pen displays the first shortcut that matches your written input. When the OLED display prompts you to select pages, tap on each notebook page you want to send and then double tap on the final page. When the Smart Pen display shows To, tap down on the Nav Plus or under the Email shortcut to scroll through a list of email addresses you set up while configuring the email connector. Tap right on the Nav plus or to the right of the email shortcut to select the current recipient. Each selected email recipient has a check mark before the name. When you finish selecting email recipients, double-tap on an unwritten area of a notebook page. When you connect your SmartPen to your computer, LiveScribe Connect sends the selected notebook pages and audio to the connector's destination. This concludes the tutorial on using the email connector to send notes and audio as attachments to email.